AI isn't just in your phones anymore. It's walking into government offices. Yes, you heard right. India has started appointing AI officers across all departments. But what does that really mean for you and me? Let's break it down. So here's the full story. Odisha is the first Indian state to roll out AI officers in every government department. Don't imagine humanoid robots in formal shirts, Han. These are real people, trained officials, who are now working side by side with AI tools. Their main job: make better decisions, automate boring tasks, and actually make public services faster and smarter. This whole thing is backed by the Odisha AI Policy 2025. It rests on 4 rock-solid pillars. First, infrastructure, building powerful data centers and cloud systems. Second, skilling, training over 1 lakh students and professionals in AI. Third, energy, using green power for all digital systems. And last, regulation, putting in strict, ethical, transparent rules so AI doesn't go wild. Now, what are these AI officers actually doing? Think of them as co-pilots, not pilots. They'll help spot corruption in records, predict floods before they hit, speed up welfare schemes, and flag data mistakes instantly. Basically, they'll help make government more accurate and a lot less slow. But let's be honest, will it work, or is it just a show? It all depends on training, infrastructure, and whether these officers actually get enough power to use their AI tools fully. But the intention? Honestly, it's game-changing. Of course, nothing is perfect. There are risks, like data privacy, too much trust in algorithms, and even bias creeping into decisions. That's why transparency, frequent audits, and strong data protection laws are a must. But this is just the beginning, Dost. If Odisha pulls this off, other states will definitely jump in. We might soon see AI shaping everything from farming to school policies. Are we prepared for that future? This is not sci-fi. It's happening right now. Would you be okay with AI helping run your government? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techno. Because here, tech always talks human.